Hello viewers, welcome back. Our today's video will show that how we can start several industrial motors with a single soft starter. These motors can be started either by connection in parallel configuration with each other or in sequential configuration. Hope that you are going to enjoy our discussion. First we will discuss the parallel motor starting. In this technique, all the motors connected to the soft starter are started simultaneously. To understand the parallel method of starting, we consider a configuration where three induction motors are connected with a single soft starter. We assume that the rated current of each connected motor is 100 ampere. The starting current of each motor is 4 times the rated current of the motor, and the starting time for each motor is 8 seconds. In the parallel configuration, when we give the start command from the soft starter, all the motors will start it to ramp up together. The total starting current during startup will be the sum of the starting current of all the motors connected to the soft starter. In our case, it will be 1200 amperes, and all the motors will draw 1200 amperes starting current for 8 seconds. Under the given scenario, to start the motors in parallel configuration, we need to select a soft starter of capacity which can bear the total starting current of 1200 amperes for 8 seconds. Now we will discuss the sequential motor starting. In this technique, all the motors connected to the soft starter are started one by one. To understand the method, we again consider a configuration where three induction motors are connected with a single soft starter. Again, we assume that the rated current of each connected motor is 100 ampere, and the starting current of each motor is 4 times the rated current. We are assuming that the first motor will draw the starting current for 6 seconds. Second motor will draw for 5 seconds and the third motor will draw for 7 seconds. In the sequential configuration, when we give the start command from soft starter, it will start the first motor by closing the contactor contact. Once the motor is started, which will take 6 seconds, motor supply is shifted to another contactor which will supply power to the motor independent of the soft starter. Soft starter will now start the second motor by closing its contactor contact. This motor will take 5 seconds to start, after which the soft starter will shift the motor supply to the direct mode, like the first motor. Similarly, for the third motor, soft starter will follow the same steps. First the supply will be through soft starter, and after the motor is started, supply will be shifted independent of the soft starter. In comparison to the parallel starting technique, soft starter in sequential mode will bear 400 ampere starting current, which is lesser than the parallel mode. However, soft starter needs to bear 400 ampere starting current for a longer period of 18 seconds, which is the total starting time of all the connected motors together. So this is the end of our today's video. I hope it will help you to develop the understanding about the topic. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please give suggestions for improvement in the comments box. Please also let me know if you need information about any other topic. I will try to cover it in my next vlogs. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates about the latest videos. Thank you.